Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Jay. You can call me Janet. Please, for the new subscribers, remember to subscribe, like, share and comment. For the returning subscribers, thank you so much. So today we decided to go and visit a game park, Impala Game Park at Kisumu. Let's enjoy. So we met up with some rolls before going to the picnic site. Yeah. At the entrance, we met up with zebras. Wow, look how nice they look. The rules and regulations. Yeah, the rules and regulations before you go inside. Hey, we also have a blue monkey. This is nice. Communicating. Hi. Hi. This is a blue monkey. Hi. Swahili name is Kima. Wow, I like how aggressive it is. Can get aggressive. It became. Hey. Of this one. Atibaisa Oryx ya wende vitu gani? Wherever. Here it is.
Yes.
It looks nice.
Yeah. It's not ugly.
Yeah, it's not ugly like what. Okay, let's go. There are the zebras. So zebras were all over. So any place you go, I meet zebras. So and monkeys. These are what? I don't know. Jonathan Tagyao. I don't know the name. Deer. Any mtu mdogo anajua di ni nini, mimi I don't know. Are they deer or something? I don't know. Wow, look at this pregnant monkey. It's so flexible and it's pregnant. Monkey. A pregnant monkey. Hey, look at this environment. I loved this environment. It looks so cool. Of course, we couldn't live without seeing the lions, the kings themselves, you know. Oh no, there are lions there. They have slept. They don't want to come near us. I don't know why. Okay. Oh, there is another one there. It seems angry. Inakanja. Then they begin to accompany adults by 2 months, and they are weaned by 8 months, and they be independent by 18 months. Must be nice. Rish, tumefika kwa lions.
Yeah. Simba.
Okay. It is sleeping though.
Do you know that the female lions, they give back to 2 to 6 cubs? Yeah, with open eyes, 3 to 11 days.
Okay.
And they it's hyena.
Yeah, you've seen
In
hyena.
Swahili, it's called fisi. Mommy,
Okay.
they feed on.
Loosely attached group of clans.
Mommy,
What did they say?
feed on clans.
Oh yes, they feed.
No, predators feed on carrion, but will also hunt them up to the size of a zebra.
Oh, okay.
Hey, patas. Patas.
Fisi, this is Fisi. What is Fisi in English? Hyena. Yeah. Then that one was planted by Orengo James. Okay, and here we got a Patas monkey. Hey.
It's also known as a dancing monkey, or a military monkey, or a sergeant major. Thank you.
So this was the last animal to see, cheetah. I couldn't be able to see all of them because we're running out of time, but next time, we promise you, I'm going to record the all impala. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment. Till the next video, we say bye.